You will love the features of this 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, keyless start, heated mirrors, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat, Bluetooth connection. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.